Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy GoDaddy domain and email starter bundles. Step 1 is searching GoDaddy and clicking the first link. As you can see, a page will appear. After that, what we want to do is click Domain at the left side top, which lists other buttons, but we will touch Search for Domain Names. And a search bar will appear, and we will search the domain we have in mind. Could be your business name or anything related to your plan. After clicking Search, a list of the domain you want will appear. After deciding which domain we will buy, we will click what looks like a cart on the right side. Then we will see a check that says Domain Added. Then we will scroll upward to the top and click the 3 lines at the top left side of the screen and click Pricing, which takes us to a new tab. At the new tab, we will see Email and click it to view the available plans for our new domain. After deciding which plan we want, we will click See Plan and click Add to Cart for the one we have chosen. And there might also be additional plans that it offers that might pop up, so pay attention to any add-on that could be beneficial for our specific needs. And finally, click Continue to Cart, and also you can select number of mailboxes. Then, there you have it. To wrap things up, follow the on-screen prompt to enter your payment and complete the purchase. This will not only secure your domain, but also start your email subscription. Once the process finishes, your domain will be officially registered under your account. From there, you can start setting up your website, connect professional email services, and manage everything directly from your dashboard. It's a simple step that gets your online presence started. So, that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.